Do you think you really know what 躺平 means? Think again. It's not just about lying flat. It's way more than that. Imagine a life with no stress, no hustle, just peace and simplicity. Sounds like a dream, right? Well, in China, we've turned that dream into a buzzword, 躺平, or lying flat. Curious? Let's dive in. So what does lying flat really mean? It's like saying, I'm done chasing unrealistic goals. Let's keep life simple and chill. Instead of overworking or running on the hamster wheel, people just stop. Sound relatable? If you remember our last video on taijian, or involution, you'll see how 躺平 caught on. As some would say in Chinese, 我见不动了，我要躺平. I can't keep competing. I'm choosing to lie flat instead. It's like saying, nope, I'm out. I'm going to take it easy. I am going with the flow. One of my favorite sayings that sums this up, 船到桥头自然长. It's a clever twist on the classic, 船到桥头自然长, or when the boat reaches the bridge, it will straighten itself out. With 躺平, it humorously means, when the boat reaches the bridge, just lie flat and let things work out naturally. What's not to love about that? But here's the thing. 躺平 isn't about giving up completely. It's about resting, resetting, chilling, and focusing on what really makes you happy. Speaking of chilling, have you heard about 摆烂 or let it rot? It's like taking 躺平 to a whole new level. If you thought lying flat was extreme, wait until you hear about this. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment below. What's your version of 躺平? I'd love to hear it. See you soon.